The wisdom of Birbal was popular during the reign of Emperor Akbar, but Akbar's brother-in-law was extremely jealous of him. He asked Akbar to dispense with Birbal's service and appoint him in his place. He gave ample assurance that he would prove to be more efficient and capable than Birbal. Before Akbar could take a decision on this matter, this news reached to the Birbal. Then Birbal resigned and left. Akbar's brother-in-law was made the minister in place of Birbal. Akbar decided to test the new minister. He gave 300 gold coins to him and said, "Go, spend these gold coins in such a way that I get 100 gold coins here in this life, 100 gold coins in the other world, and another 100 gold coins neither here nor there." The minister found the entire situation to be a maze of confusion and hopelessness. He spent sleepless nights worrying how he would get himself out of this mess. Eventually, on the advice of his wife, he sought Birbal's help. Birbal said, "Just give me the gold coins. I shall handle the rest." Birbal walked the streets of the city holding the bag of gold coins in his hand. He noticed a rich merchant celebrating his son's wedding. Birbal gave 100 coins to him and bowed courteously, saying, "Emperor Akbar sends you his good wishes and blessings for the wedding of your son. Please accept the gift he has sent." The merchant felt honored that the king had sent a special messenger with such a precious gift. He honored Birbal and gave him a large number of expensive gifts and a bag of gold coins as a return gift for the king. Next, Birbal went to the area of the city where the poor people lived. There he bought food and clothing in exchange for 100 gold coins and distributed them in the name of the emperor. When he came back to town, he organized a concert of music and dance. He spent 100 gold coins on it. The next day, Birbal entered Akbar's darbar and announced that he had done all that the king had asked his brother-in-law to do. The emperor wanted to know how he had done it. Birbal repeated the sequence of all the events and said, "The money I gave to the merchant for the wedding of his son, you have got back while on this earth. The money I spent on buying food and clothing for the poor, you will get it in the another world. The money I spent on the musical concert, you will get neither here nor there." Akbar's brother-in-law understood his mistake and resigned. Birbal got his place back. After this, Akbar was very happy. So when you spend your money, think a little, if not a lot.